Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to add shop button on Instagram. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So the first thing that you have to know is that you need to have a Facebook page and an established professional Instagram account. This just means that you should have been using your Instagram professional account for quite some time, meaning you have already gained some followers and have posted something in there. In short, it should be an active account. So if you have that, just go to your Instagram profile, then tap on Professional Dashboard. So here under Your Tools, just tap on Shops. So as you can see here, it says you can no longer create a shop directly here on Instagram. This needs to be done in Commerce Manager, which can be found in Meta Business Suite. So you can do this on a computer, or you can also install the Meta Business Suite app on your phone. Once you have installed the app, just log in to your Facebook account and go to your Facebook page. Next, tap on All Tools and tap on Settings. When you're here under Page Settings, you will have an option to connect your page to your Instagram. So just tap on Connect, then Connect again, and then Connect Account, and then Confirm. Now, if you have multiple Instagram accounts, choose the one that you want to connect it to. Then Continue. Once it's connected, switch to a desktop or laptop computer because it's easier to do it here. Then on the left panel, click on All Tools and then select the Commerce option. And this will open the Commerce Manager page. Just click on Add Accounts. And then this is where you can create your shop. So just click on Next. And then here, if ever creating a shop is not available in your country like this one, you may consider trying to use a VPN. Once you created a shop here and you go back to your Instagram app and you tap on the shop option again, you will be able to see an option to add a shop button here. So you just have to follow the instructions. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.